inspire production smarter today.
This is the outdoor mobile guardian. It can make elders' daily life more comfortable and safe.
Hi, my name is Arnav from Team BSM Blue Jays, hailing from Oman. On the day of the competition, well, luckily the Matrix team were there to help us out, so we didn't have any need to feel nervous after that.
Hello everyone, my name is Salah and I am a participant in WRO 2025. Matrix has transformed how kids, starters, beginners learn. What do we know? You will be happy with your purchase.
Good afternoon, everyone. Anthony from Taiwan. I'm starting my robotics journey from 2013.
And I'm fun. So for 2026, changing is not an option. It's necessity.